Okay, so in this video, I'm going to take Python code, some Python code we have here in Vinegar Hill for the black 1976 model, and we're valuing, in this instance, a bond, an option and a bond futures for both a call and a put. So basically, I'm going to copy this snippet of code, copy. Then I'm going to launch there's an Anaconda. If I can find it, there's an Anaconda. Let's just pause for a moment. Okay, so we have Anaconda Navigator open, and within the Anaconda Navigator, we then launch Spyder. That might take a brief second. And it seems to be opening. So we then file new file, okay. File new, and we will paste our code, paste. And then we can run this code. And we can save it as 11. Okay, black 76, 1976. Save. And then we come over here to the variable explorer, and you can see the value we get for C is 12. In fact, the value we get for it's a put option because we've denoted as P. And we get 1205. That's consistent with what we would have seen before. And if we change that to C, now again we can just change here to C to denote a call. And we will get 1558. So let's run that again. And you can see here we're getting 1558, and that's consistent with the values we would have observed previously. Okay, so you might recall for the call option with a value of 1558, and for the put option 0.12. And again, for the put option, this numerical example is based on an example from John C. Hall, option futures, other derivatives. And the value we have here for the put is 12 cents based on implementing the black model.